And the reason why this is very important, it's because number one, you find out, hey everybody, it's Jerry McManus from Keller Williams, and I'm here to discuss an extremely important part of the agreement of sale in this process of both buying and selling a home. I cannot overstate enough, and I really do want you to watch this video to the end, because what it does is it explains a lot of key information. A lot of times, and I've seen this happen many times over the years, is that folks, they're getting ready to make one of the biggest purchases of their entire life, and they do not review the agreement of sale, commonly referred to as a contract. Why? I don't know. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break down in a small series a few of the sections of the agreement of sale that are actually stand out beyond the others. The first one that I want to go over with today is the party and the property description. And the reason why this is very important, it's because number one, you find out who is it that you're doing business with. Are you doing business with an individual? Are you doing business with an LLC? So, and then the thing that's very important about this in this section is it's who is it that you're doing business and where are they located? You don't want to see P.O. boxes in the address. And even if you meet a guy, we'll just call him John for today, the guy that's fixing up the house, John may not actually be the technical owner, even though he may own the LLC. So it's going to be very important that you get that point clarified. The second is extremely important as well. Now, this is going to sound strange, but it's the location of the property itself. In the location of the property, it's got its proper address and it's got its lot and block number and the township that it's actually listed in. Now, one of the things that's interesting, and we'll go back to our friend John that's flipping houses, his address and the address of the house that you're buying are not going to be the same. I would say a way vast majority of the time. You do not want to see the LLC's address as that of the property that's being conveyed. Unless he just opened up an LLC for that individual house, more than likely that's not the correct information. So those things are very important for you to understand as you're getting ready to begin the home buying or selling process. Hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. This way we can stay connected. Here's my contact information should you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.